Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another Odoo 18 tutorial by Cybrosis. Today in this video, let's talk about Odoo 18's Fleet Modules feature, which is called the Vehicle Models. So you all know the Fleet Module is basically used to manage the vehicles of the organization. Once you're adding a new vehicle to the Fleet Module, you have to make sure that the model is also saved in the database. So by default in Odoo Fleet, you have models like the BMW, Mercedes, and then you have the Audi and Opel. So if you are adding a new vehicle which doesn't belong to any of these models, you have to make sure that this is saved in the database. So this helps you to track the records regarding the vehicles and also the parts compatibility. So let's move on to the video and see how to manage it. So guys, now let's see how to configure a new model, that is a new vehicle model in the Fleet module of Odoo 18. So we have some pre-configured models here in Odoo, okay, which will eliminate the need for manual entry. So we have things like the Audi, BMW, Mercedes and Opel. For example, if I say for Audi, we have models like A1, A3, A4, A5, A6 and all, right? Similarly, for BMW as well as the Mercedes and Opel, we have certain models which are already configured here. So I'll just go to the Fleet module. So this is the Fleet here. Okay. And all the vehicles and all can be seen here. So first thing you have to do is go to the configuration under which you can choose the models. So certain models, that is the things which are configured is shown here. You can simply click on new model to add it. Okay. So here you have things like this. If you add Audi, you have the option to add the model name. So if you are adding Audi, this is the model name, which is A1. The category is also there. So similarly, models can be added. Okay, so I was talking about the models which are already there in the system. Now let's see how a new vehicle model has been added. So as I showed you, you have to go to the configuration and choose the models. Then click on new. Okay, so you have to fill in the following details which is given here. First thing is the model name. So you have to enter the vehicle model name. So I am going to put the model name as Figo. And the manufacturer, I am adding it as Ford. So here you can see there is no picture right now. Once I add Ford here, you can see the logo of the brand, that is the manufacturer, has come here because all these manufacturers are already there in Odoo. And here you can see the vehicle type is car. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. So you all know Ford Figo is a car. So let it be a car. So that's the thing. And from the manufacturer, like you can select the existing manufacturer or even create one. So if there is no manufacturer which you're specifying, means you can create that as a new manufacturer. Okay, so then what happens is that Odoo will be automatically displaying the manufacturer's logo for default manufacturers. Okay, and then you have the vehicle type where you have to choose car or bike. Okay, so next you have the category, that is you can select a category or create a vehicle category. So you have category like the SUV, coupe, the MPU and all. Okay, so you can choose the category from here. Next comes the information tab of the vehicles where you have the model selection as well as the engine. So under the model, you have, the model section. Okay, so here you have the seat numbers, the door numbers, model year, trailer hitch and all. So let's see what each of them are. First one is the seat number. So you can set the passenger capacity. I'm putting it to 5. And the door number. So the number of doors that vehicle have is, I'm putting it as 5 itself. Okay. And then you have the vehicle model. Okay. So the model can be specified over here, which means the year of manufacture. So I'll just give it as 2000. It's just a random model here. Okay. And here you have the trailer hitch. So you can check whether it's installed or not. So I'm just checking it. If it's installed, you can check it, the trailer hitch. Okay. And then you have the other things like the engine and all. Okay. So here under the engine, you have the fuel type. Okay. Under the engine section, you have the fuel type. So you have to select the fuel type, whether it's electric or diesel or petrol, whatever it is. So I'm just putting it to diesel. And then you have the range over here. So you have to set the range, that is in kilometers. You have to specify the range of the vehicle over here. So you can specify that over here. Okay. So I'll just put it as 50. I'm already telling that this is just a random range that I'm giving. Okay. And then you have the CO2 emissions. So you have to specify the CO2 emission per gram or kilogram. Okay, how much is the CO2 emissions? And similarly, you have the standard CO2 emission that can also be specified over here. Next, you have the transmission. So here you have to specify whether it's manual or automatic. Okay, so I'll put it as manual. And the power. Okay, so it's the electric per hybrid power, that too in kilowatts, you have to specify it. So whether it's kW or horsepower. So let it be there. And then you have the power here. That is the power unit, sorry. And then you have the power. Okay, so you have to specify that also. If you are changing this to horsepower, then here this thing will come. That is the horsepower, engine horsepower, and the taxed horsepower. That is the horsepower taxation. Okay, so that's the information tab. And next you have the vendor tab, where you can add vehicle vendors from your contact list. So if you click on add vendors, so all these vendors will come. So you can choose one person and that person is added. So multiple vendors can be added for this thing. So this is the, way to create a new model. So once you're done with it, you can simply save it. So here is a new model which has been created. So you can actually organize your fleet with vehicle model categories. So you can go to the fleet tab, configuration, model categories. Okay. So here you can see the categories under models. So from here, you can actually click on new and create a new category. So you can enter the category name over here. Okay. And then you can even drag and drop it to reorder the list. And when used with the inventory app, a maximum weight and maximum volume fields can track vehicle capacity. So from here, you can actually add categories to it. If I add a category called demo, next time once you create a new model, this category will also be shown there. So if you go to models and create a new one, okay, so under the category, if you search for more, no need to search for more. On top only, you can see demo, which has been created right now. Okay, so that's how categories are categories have been configured. Next, you have the manufacturers. So you have seen the manufacturers while you are creating a new model. So all the manufacturers are given here with models. So if you want, you can create a new one by clicking on new manufacturer. You can specify the name as well as the logo over here. Okay, so if you just take a look, you can see for Ford, you have a name is given and the logo is given. Similarly, you can add that. And for each manufacturer, if you just click on that, see the, vehicles which have been added for that particular manufacturer. That is the models have been seen here on the Smart tab. If you take on Nissan, if you click on this, you can see one vehicle is added for this particular model. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, the manufacturer, the model and all, this is how it works. So yeah, guys, I hope that's clear for you all. So this is how you can create a new vehicle model using the fleet module. So that's how easily you can manage the vehicle models in the fleet module of Odoo 18. I hope that was clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.